How to register Bolt driver's account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can register for Bolt driver's account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to install the application that is Bolt Driver that is available in Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now, once you have installed the application, open up the application. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on login, provide your login credentials and get logged in. If not, tap on sign up button in order to register. Now to begin with, first of all, you have to enter your valid email address. So make sure to type in your valid email address that you have access to currently. Under that, you have to enter your phone number along with your country code. So make sure to type in your correct phone number. Under that, select your preferred city. And under that, tap on Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then tap on Register as a Driver button. After that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. So make sure to check in and type in the correct code right here. After you are verified, you will be taken into next phase where you have to enter all your personal information. That is your first name, last name, your language, and again it's gonna ask you for more additional information such as your license plate, your ID, the manufacturer of a vehicle and its model, what type of vehicle will you be driving, and you will have to enter your license plate number as well. So make sure to provide all the necessary details that is asked to you and follow the on-screen instructions and prompts that you get. After that, you also have to upload some additional documents, so make sure to provide all the necessary documents that is asked to you. And once you submit all your documents, you have to wait for approval. Bolt will review your application, verify your documents and perform any necessary background check. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email or notification in the application, and then you can set yourself online to start receiving ride requests. Follow the in-app instructions to navigate and complete the rides. And that's how you can sign up or register for Bolt Driver account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.